Hello again. Now we're going to do several sample problems from the homework. The first one we're going to do is number 4. And let me read the directions from the book so you know what the directions are. It says find the linearization L of x of the function at A. So another way of saying that is find the equation for the tangent line at x equal to 3. It's the same thing. So we need a point, and the point is going to be, we need to find f at 3. So f at 3 squared is 9. So f at 3 is going to be 2 over square root of 4, which is 2 over 2, which is 1. So we know our point is 3, 1. So we know what the point is. Now we got to get the slope, which is the derivative at x equal to 3. So we need the derivative. We're going to have to use the, well, we can either use the quotient rule, or we can use, we can actually write this as x squared minus 5 to the negative 1/2. But let's just leave this down here and write this as x squared minus 5 to the 1/2. Okay, and let's use the quotient rule. The bottom times the derivative of the top, the derivative of 2 is 0, minus the top times the derivative of the bottom. We're going to have to use the chain rule here. 1/2 times this, decrease the exponent by 1, times the derivative of the inside function. The inside function is x squared minus 5. The derivative is 2x. All over that bottom squared, which is going to be x squared minus 5. Okay, so anything times 0 is just 0. This 2 and this 2 can cancel out. So we're going to have negative 2x times x squared minus 5 to the negative 1/2 over x squared minus 5. Let's not simplify. Let's just go ahead and put in a 3. So if we put in a 3 in here, we're going to have negative 2 times 3. 3 squared minus 5 is going to be 4. So that's going to be 4 to the negative 1/2 all over. We're putting in a 3 squared minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. So now what is that going to be? That's going to be negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. This is 4 to the negative 1/2. So it's going to be 1 over the square root of 4, which is 1/2, over 4. So we're going to wind up with negative 3/4. So our slope is negative 3/4. We have a slope and a point. Okay. We have a slope and a point. Now we can put it in point-slope form. Y minus 1 equals negative 3/4 times x minus 3. I can add 1 to both sides. So I would have 1 plus negative 3/4 times x minus 3. Okay. Now they don't like you to use the y, they like you to use the L of x. And that's it. So this is it's the equation of the tangent line to the curve at x equal to 3. So that's our solution. That's the linearization of that function near x equal to 3. I'll do another problem in another video.